let's get rid of 2020. I am ready to leave that behind. All right, my friends, let's do a meditation to help us release whatever adjective you insert for 2020. We're going to release all of that. We're going to let go of 2020. We're going to create space to welcome in whatever may come in 2021. So find a position that your body is comfortable resting in. And if that's sitting up in a traditional meditation position, that's great. If not, feel free to adjust as needed. You can lean against something. You might even find that laying down feels most nourishing for you in this moment. So as you settle in, just begin by noticing the experience of your body being supported by your mat beneath you, or whatever surface you are resting upon currently. Notice the sensation at each point your body is in contact and supported and held. It might be that you notice the pressure, or a difference in temperature or energy. We're going to start over. Take two. It's a good thing you don't have a clapper hooked to the lights. Whatever happened to clappers?
I still want those. It was automation for your house.
It was amazing.
Before there was smart houses.
Like you don't have to put your bare feet on the cold floor to turn on the lights in the morning and trip over everything. Or the keychains that you could whistle. Did you ever have one of those? My dad did. He got really sick of it because my cousins would hide his keys just so that we could hear him whistle and have it respond back with the music. Anyways, we're going to release that too. 1980s, they were great. Who knew?
So good.
They're coming back, man. Have you seen the way teenagers dress these days? Is your phone put away? Okay.
I'm going to use that.
Okay. It's totally fine. All right. Let's release 2020. Shall we? All right. Today we're going to do a meditation that kind of helps us process, bless, and release whatever 2020 has brought you and whatever adjectives you associate with 2020. Maybe it feels like a dumpster fire. Maybe it's actually brought you a lot of blessings. We're going to process that. Know that no matter what your reaction to this year is, it's totally valid, and you deserve to process and feel and hold space for that. So find a position, whether it's seated in a traditional meditation position on your mat, or leaning back against something for support, or maybe even laying down on your mat. Whatever position you can release into your body is perfect. So as you find this position, just allow your mind to settle into the physical sensation in your body. Notice the points at which you are being held by the earth beneath you. Whether it be the difference in pressure or temperature, really allow your awareness to feel the experience of being held here in this moment. As you continue to notice this experience, just allow your body to release. Let go of any tension. And begin to notice your breath. Notice where in your body you are breathing into. And what that experience is, whether it's the movement of air as you breathe in and out, or the sensation of coolness as you inhale, or warmth as you exhale. Knowing that thoughts and distraction are completely normal. If you notice yourself being distracted away, gently release and draw your attention back to the experience of being held in this moment and the sensation of your breath. Now, as you continue to rest in this experience, reflect back on the year that you have had. Begin at the beginning of the year. You might remember plans or goals, the way you welcomed 2020. Just slowly recollect through the year and into the present moment. Which experiences stand out? What is it that you notice or remember with a physical or felt sense in your body? As each one of these memories arise, as you reflect on your year, I invite you to investigate it a little bit deeper. There is so much that happened this year that is stressful, anxious, or painful. As you're investigating this, think about why it made you feel the way it did. How each of these affected your life, both your daily life and how you experienced the months as they passed. As you continue in your investigation, see if you can take a step back and also notice that despite any stress that this may have caused, what it might also have taught you. How has each of these experiences that add up to make up the whole of 2020 changed the way you see and experience the world around you? How has moving through these experiences shifted your experience of gratitude? Or shifted that which you feel grateful for? And where within these experiences have you been able to notice the habits or the people or the things in your life that you would like to give more energy to? Or that you may have previously been giving too much energy to? As each new memory or event of 2020 comes into your recollection of this year, really sit with that full experience. Hold it and notice what there is for you to carry with you as we move forward. As we look toward a new year, what about 2020 would you like to leave behind? And what will leaving those things behind create space for? As we look forward into the new year, what lessons or perspective shifts from this current year will you be bringing forward with you? And how will each of those things serve as a tool to help you cultivate all that you want 2021 to be? Take a few more breath cycles to observe and hold space for the experiences of 2020. Knowing that there were lessons and things that we individually and collectively moved through that will shape who we are for years to come. Take a moment to feel gratitude for what you may have gained from this experience, and to bless and release that which you are not interested in carrying forward. As you release these things, begin to deepen your breath, feeling the expansion in your chest and in your lower belly on your inhale. And maybe even noticing a sense of weightlessness as you exhale and further release. Knowing that in taking the time to intentionally process what has happened, we are more effectively able to create space for whatever each new present moment has to offer us. As we prepare to bring our meditation to a close, bring your hands over your heart or your belly. Take a few more breaths and really invite your mind to experience the physical sensation that accompanies all that 2020 has brought and all that releasing creates within you. Feeling the space that you have created to move forward and experience a new year. When you are ready, gently open your eyes with a sense of gratitude and curiosity for what may come next. Thank you so much for allowing me to guide you through this. And I hope that wherever you are when you watch this, that it brings you some sense of peace and hope for whatever may come next.